Mental health isn't just something adults need to check in with themselves on, it's something kids and youth need to think about too. And now 2 toolkits have launched online to help them do just that.
This is the Stigma-Free Youth Wellness Toolkit, specifically for COVID-19. So as you can see here, we have our youth corner and our teens corner.
From a mental health checklist to a stigma-free activity generator, the site offers a variety of resources. It's divided into 2 toolkits, one for grade 4 to 6 and the other for 7 to 12.
It's going to be a different kind of learning. You know, what is the difference between mental health and mental illness, you may have to say to these younger ones, and try to talk to them on a level where you're not talking down to them, of course, but that you're relating to them on their level.
Registered psychologist Dr. Dana Wasserman says mental health and well-being is exceptionally important for younger people and should be addressed in kids as young as 5 years old.
I think once a child begins to talk, it is their avenue through which they get to express their feelings. So we have a 9-year-old. That 9-year-old is a veritable sponge of emotions. They sense what's going on with their parents. So let's say if that 9-year-old has parents whose jobs are at risk, that child is going to feel that parent's anxiety. If that child doesn't have the means through which they can talk about it and express their concerns, that's going to be stuffed down, and that's not going to be healthy.
The site also offers a quiz people of any age can take, which helps determine the level of stigma we consciously or unconsciously have day to day.
It asks you a bunch of questions. An example of a question is, so on a scale of 1 to 5, how comfortable would you feel about having someone who lives next door with schizophrenia? And it has these questions where sometimes we're like, whoa, I didn't even think of that.
Ultimately, Packet hopes the toolkits will be used as resources for kids to understand more about their own mental well-being and for parents to learn how they can support their children during these stressful and uncertain times.